What is artificial intelligence? Artificial intelligence or AI is a new technology that makes computers that imitate human behavior and intellectual activity. AI is considered the successor to the already mature computing technology known as neural networks. It provides the technology to build intelligent systems capable of learning the behavior of environment and their own internal structure. It also provides the ability to make computers that are able to learn from the data and then act as if they are intelligent and capable of adapting behavior and improving themselves. AI has achieved significant technological and technical advancements. As technology makes advances, it is also used for practical intelligence and is one of the driving forces behind the development of other more sophisticated algorithms. The goal of artificial intelligence is to make computers that are capable of learning its own structure and then make decisions. A neural network is a mathematical model that represents behavior and its interaction with environment. What will the future look like with humans and AI living together? Artificial intelligence is quickly becoming one of the biggest challenges in the upcoming decades. Here's what it could mean for humanity. Right now, AI is just a computer that is capable of thinking and acting in a human way. For example, it can learn, remember and adapt to what it's being asked to do. AI is already improving and becoming more intelligent. In the future, it will probably become a much smarter, more powerful robot that's able to do way more than the human way of thinking. What do AI and humans have in common? They are both living things. And living things need food. They also need a bit of water. And so like humans they need clean air. Could we have a sort of general AI that would be much better than human intuition? To answer the question first, AI would have to teach itself how to find the patterns in the real world. It can't be taught how to think for itself and it would need to be better than us at recognizing patterns, since we are limited in that regard. So, it would be like a child who learned to recognize patterns well enough to be considered smart. But it would also need to have learned from some sort of a foundational worldview. There is no reason, in my opinion, that such a child would be much better than a grown-up. Now, it's important to recognize that there are a few areas in AI research where we have achieved a fairly high level of success in terms of the pattern recognition abilities. These areas include but aren't limited to handwriting recognition, speech recognition, pattern recognition in images, video, unstructured text, and so forth. Thanks for watching.